Hi, this is Venkat Munaga. I will show how to install Sitecore 10 on local machine. For this, I am taking a new virtual machine which doesn't have any previous Sitecore installations. Before installing, I want to create a new machine which doesn't have any previous Sitecore installation. So I already prepared one image because this is my personal Azure account. So like this is the previous image I created, that one which have just Windows 10 and Visual Studio 2019 I installed, SQL Test Server 2019 are also installed, and I enabled the IASs. Even I did not install the JavaScript or Sitecore or anything. So I am creating the new virtual machine from this one so that I will try to be installed. If I face any issues, we can resolve. Okay, just I'm taking from here, create a new VM. So just I'm taking the Sitecore 10. Okay, this is the group I'm taking, that one. Then virtual name I'm putting like Sitecore 10 virtual machine. Okay, and this is not required. This is the image. Okay, and for this one, because I preferred, because while I was working with the B2MS, I feel like very slow, so I will take the B2M4 which has the 16 GB RAM. 4 is fine, but this is a costly 227. Okay, yeah. Okay, now Australian East. Okay, I'm installing Australian East because my image is there. Then just I'm putting username, password. Okay, RDB is fine. Okay, this one. And so new virtual machine is created. Just I will go there, and this is a new virtual machine. Just I'm trying to be open that. Okay, so as I explained previously, it was the like Windows 10, and which was a Visual Studio 2000 I installed, Visual Studio 2019. And this is SQL Server. If I see, this is the default one, there is no site correlated databases. And this is IAS, I already enabled that one. No, like yes, no sites are there. So now we can go and install, like download the Sitecore one. Okay, now I'm downloading. Okay, go for the Sitecore 10. So I want to be like choose the, as I explained, choose the graphical setup package for the XP using the like Sitecore install assistant. So I'm going for with the XP. Now I am logging in. Okay, so I think majority of the people knows that one, to download anything you have to be certified. So I have the credentials, I logged in. Now I'm downloading this one. So parallelly, just we will download this one also, quick installation guide for the developer workstation. And while downloading, just we will go through this one quickly. So you can able to do like these are the topology, the single developer and XM scaled, XP scaled, and it was clearly explained this one, because if it is a single developer, is CMCD is like combined, and this is the XM is the scaled one. You have the CD and CM separately, and with along with the identity server. And if you choose the XP scaled one, like these are all the different instances will be spinned up. Okay, now we are going with this one. So you have like CM and CD as standalone, and you have identity server, and even we have the X connect also. Okay, now if I going through the like other requirements, okay, like these are the prerequisites, okay, system requirements, that one. Now if I use this graphical package, I think it will be, you can able to be install all these all automatically. Okay, all these are, I will show that one. And before that, but the one is even Sitecore also you can install using this one, but like I want to be install manually the Sitecore. So if I jump on that one, like of Sitecore 10 required Solr 8.4. So first of all, I will install the 8.4. Okay, these are the like the just in part of the PPT I prepared that one to install the 8.4 manually. So first of all, we need to install the Java version, and then download the Solr 8.4. Then just you can verify it whether it is running or not by running this command. And after that, to make it like HTTPS, so you need to be create and install the self-signed certificate. I will show how to do that one. And after that, you need to be install. And after that, you, if you want to make it the Solr as a Windows service, like download the NSSM and follow the steps. I think it will be created. I will show that one how to do that. So first of all, just I am moving this one. So first of all, I am extracting this. No, the just all these files. Just I am moving to the C drive. Creating new folder. Sitecore 10. I copied here. Now to install the Solr, the prerequisite is the Java. I am downloading the Java. Just Java download all versions. Okay. So I'm going here. We need to be installed 64-bit. Okay. I'm installing the Java now. While installing, you can also check whether Java is there or not. Java is not there. Just I want to show that one. So after installing, like you can verify what version of the Java. Java installed successfully. I will check now. Okay, Java installed, and you can check the version also. This is the version. Okay, Solr 8.4. I am downloading the Solr 8.4. Okay, I'm going for the downloads and archives. This is the latest version is 8.6, like we required 8.4, and this is a zip. Now 8.4 downloaded. I'm extracting. Extracted. Now I'm moving these all to C drive. So I'm creating Solr folder. Just I'm pasting here. Now I will check whether the Solr works fine or not. So go here, bin. Okay, this is the one. like I think better we go this one. So make sure these are in the double quotes so that you can run this command anywhere. Okay, it allowing, so can run, try to be run here localhost 8983. Sorry, localhost 8983. Now it's working, but if you see this one, this is a HTTP. Okay, now the version is 8.4. Now I want to make it that localhost HTTP to HTTPS. So for that one, to create a self-signed certificate, we need to use this command for the keystore, and to generate the certificate, this is the command. These two commands I will give in my description of this video. So first of all, I need to be find the path of the Java. So just I'm going for the sig drive program files under Java, and this is a version. Just and the rest of the everything will be the same. So just I'm placing this one here. So for this one, like okay, command, I'm going to the Solr folder. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm going to the Solr folder, then I'm copying here. So what is this means? It will give the first of all keystore. So if it is done, like you can also verify that one. You can go to the Solr. You can see keystore, it is generated with this name. So the second line, if I try to be that, if I see that is a file as an input to this one with the password as a secret. Okay, the password as a secret, these are all. So I'm running the second line, like make sure this is in the double quotes. Okay, with the same path I run that one. Now certificate is generating. So certificate is already generated. Now I need to move these two files to server etc. Okay, and I'm installing to the first local machine. So password is a secret. So this is a secret. Even in the second command, as I previously explained, this is the password. Okay, you can change if you want another name. Okay, now I'm installing the trusted root certification authorities. Okay, this is done. And the second one is I need to be enable that one into the those comments are in the bin. This is the where you can see that one to enable the SSL. So if I go down, okay, this is the section. So okay, rim means commented one, just I'm uncommenting. Okay, SSL enabled, yes. Okay, this is the name. Okay, this is the comments. Okay, if I see this one, just I am removing the REM. So if I see this is the like just descriptions. Okay, and once I done, I am saving this one. Now I will try to be a rerun again. Okay, to check whether SSL is enabled or not. Okay, just I am trying to be run from the command prompt, the Solr, to check SSL is enabled or not. Now Solr is running. Let me check. localhost and I'm making HTTPS. So now if you see this one, this is a self-signed certificate. HTTP is working, the Solr is working. Now SSL is enabled for the local Solr. Now now what we need to do is like we need to be make it run the Solr as a Windows service. For that one, you need to be download latest version of NSSM, that is a non-sucking service manager. For this one, I'm downloading now. This is just I'm moving to the C drive. I'm putting here. (64-bit). Just I'm taking this. Install the name I can give Solr 8.4. Okay. Now this path. So as per the like the PPT I explained, this one path you need to give the bin. This one, okay. So I'm going with the C drive Solr. Go to the bin. solr.command. Okay, just I'm giving this one. And arguments, like I clearly specified this one, start -f-p and the port number. Okay, so the same name I'm giving here as a display name, installing the. So it is installed now as a service, so we can go and verify that one. This is the one I am okay. Before starting, just I am trying to be access that. Okay, HTTPS localhost 8983. So it is saying that one you can't reach that one. Now I'm starting this one. Started. So if I try to be rebrowse again, so now it's working. Now we install Solr and make it enable SSL, and third one is like running as a Windows service. So Solr installation is done. So next step is I am directly using this graphical designer for installing the Sitecore. Okay, going for the Sitecore 10. This is what we extracted a copy here. I am clicking on the setup. You don't need to be change anything here. Just clicking on the setup. So the Sitecore install assistant looks like this one, and click on the start. So these are the previously like prerequisites. Okay, if I click on the install, what will happen is it will install all the prerequisite. Previously we manually need to be installed, so it will take some time. So I'm clicking on the install, and it will we will see that one after the prerequisite installation. We will see in the log what kind of the components it installed. Okay, it takes some time. Now the install prerequisite completed. So it is clearly mentioned after you install the prerequisite, IIS may restart automatically, and you may be prompted to restart your computer. Better we restart the computer. Okay, I'm restarting now. So before that, I think just I captured the time, how much time it will took it. Nearly 9 minutes it took it that one for this installation. Okay, just I'm restarting now. You must restart your computers. Okay, I'm clicking on that. So I'm restarting my virtual machine. Restarted successfully now. So let's go there. So I'm clicking the setup again. So start again, and this step we already completed, so I'm skipping. So using this step you can install the Solr. You previously I done manually all the steps for your understanding. If you want to skip that one, you can directly come here, and if you use the details, and you can install the Solr. Okay, I already installed, that's why I'm skipping now. Okay, I'm giving the xp10 and Sitecore password bnb. A license file I will give now, the license, and here it is a SQL server is a local, and the password is, username is SC, and I entered the password. And this is, yes, like this is the path, just I want to make sure again. Now it is running fine with the path, and the Solr path also, make sure Solr, this one, right? At the same, but just okay. And you need to give the Windows service name. So for that one, I'm going to the services. Okay, this is the name I'm copying. Okay, click the next. And I don't want like a Sitecore Experience Accelerator. I'm skipping that one. If you want, you can select it. Clicking the next. Okay, everything it is validated, everything, and now installation start. I will also note down like how much time it will take. So now 9:52 a.m. Okay, whatever the local time it was. Okay, just let me see how much time it will take. So before that, while it is continuing the installation, I will go and check the path. Actually, if I click on the logs here, you can see so many logs. Okay, now there is a prerequisites one is there, so which has this one. If I click here, it will tell like how many, what are the components it installed. So for that one, it internally use Sitecore install framework 2.3.0. okay, and what it was like, for example, it skipped. That means this one it will try to be download and install, it is already there, that's why it skipped. Visual Studio C++ 2015, and next one is 64-bit and 32-bit, and next one is SQL Server module it installed, and Windows features it is enabled, that one. And the next one is web platform installer and web deployment 3.6, and URL, see this one, yeah, URL rewrite to, like all these are components, what it is automatically installing, all these are components. Okay, you can verify that one. And now the Solr, if you see there is no Solr because I installed manually. If via a tool, if you install, you can find the logs here. Okay, now this one is the final step. Okay, once it installed Sitecore, you can see the log, what it was there. So installation is completed. Now I'm clicking on the next. So you can launch by clicking on this one. Okay, now I'm logging into that sorry, it's logging in, see this one. So you can see the content looks good, everything is fine. And if I see this, just I'm taking incognito, so the content also delivering correctly. Now it is installed successfully. Now the second one is, if I look into this the Sitecore install assistance like logs, if I see this one, did he give anything? So to calculate the installation, just we note it down 9:52 a.m. Now it is 10:15. So approximately like around 20 minutes 20 to 22 minutes it would took it installation. After installation, Sitecore 10 creates a couple of things. I will show those around. The first one is the if I look into the IAS, it creates the three apps. One is the identity server, and second one is the Sitecore, the standalone one. It has the CMCD, and third one is the Xconnect. If you look into the documentation of the Sitecore, and if you choose this XP single developer, that is what we install now. The outcome is the three instances just now I showed. One is a Sitecore, which has a standalone CDCM, it includes that one, and Xconnect, and third one is the identity server. So the same, we can see that one. And if you look into that, if anyone wants to like have interest on the Sitecore identity server, it uses if you have a look, it uses the identity server 4, which is the third party one. I done couple of videos for this one. Like if you have any interest, like you can have a look. If you want to go like one level down of the Sitecore identity, just I made a video. You can go with that one. But some people they want to deploy, create a Sitecore identity on the ASP.NET Core separately, and they want to use for other application, not the related to Sitecore. So I done the three videos of the series, part 1, part 2, part 3. I think if you have any interest, you can go with that one. And the second one is the databases, the Sitecore 10 creates couple of databases here. So now this is the like the core, master, and web, the main one, and rest of the related to the XDB and Xconnect one. And the third one is regarding to the Solr. If you go into that path of this services and Solr, this is the managed schema. Like previously, if you want to install Solr manually, you need to be make sure you have to be create this managed schema. Okay, like if you go and search here, managed schema cycle, like you can see here. So you have to follow these steps and to create managed schema. But part of the first time we install the Solr, but part of the like graphical installation, it creates automatically those schema. Okay, and these are all. Yep, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.